Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla has asserted that co-hosting the Durand Cup will not only motivate sports persons in the state, but also help in strengthening the bond between security forces and general public. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla was speaking in the press meet which was held in connection with trophy showcase and roadshow event for the upcoming 134th edition of Durand Cup, which Manipur will co-host with 4 other states. Speaking in the press meet which was held at City Convention Centre, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla asserted that the tournament will help in building harmonious relationship among communities while encouraging the spirit of sportsmanship. Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar Singh, Chairman of DCOC Lieutenant General Mohit Malhotra, GOC 3 Co Lieutenant General Abhijit S. Pindhakar, GOC 57 Mount Division Major General SS Kartikeya, Major General of IGAR South Ravrup Singh and Manipur DGP Rajiv Singh also attended the press meet.
These efforts not only promote the spirit of sportsmanship, but also bring people together across regions and backgrounds, celebrating unifying power of football. I wish the 134th edition of Durand Cup a great success. We all in Manipur definitely are looking forward to the matches here. I'm confident that it will be a bigger, better and more thrilling than ever before. My heartfelt wishes to all the participating teams. May you play with honor, courage and passion, inspiring countless young hearts along the way.